This is how to delete a Google account permanently. If you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Now first launch your Google app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then tap on your account. Then choose the account that you want to delete permanently. Then again tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then manage your Google account. Then go to data and privacy. Then scroll down. Then at the bottom there you are going to see delete your Google account. Tap on it. Then you need to enter your fingerprint or your phone password. Then before you delete your Google account, you need to download your data. If there are important data in this Google account, you need to download them. We just tap on download your data. Then you need to read this carefully. It is not the usual blah blah. So make sure that you have read all this. Then you will just scroll down. Then tap on those two boxes. Ensure that they are checked. Then tap on delete account. But for me, I do not want to delete this Google account. This is how to delete Google account permanently. Now if you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.